In this video, we are going to see about how to install Node.js. So we know Node.js is a runtime environment for executing the JavaScript. So this is normally built upon the Chrome's V8 engine. This is used to execute the JavaScript outside the browser. And we are going to see about that is how to install this Node.js on our machine. And for this we are actually going to use the editor as VS Code. So we are having the so many editor, but I feel this VS Code is a best editor. So now we can see that is how to install this Node.js and also the VS Code. To install this Node.js, so just search Node.js on Google. So it shows the so many website. So just move to the Node.js official website. So from this, so you can download the Node.js for any version, any platform. This Node.js that work on the different platforms, the Linux, Windows, iOS, and so on. And just download it and install as how the other software actually you are installing in your system. So this is already installed my system. So this is not a difficult process. Just download this and installs like other softwares. Just follow the instructions. So after installing that, install the VS Code if are not installed. So I will give the URL in the description box. So after install this Node.js and VS Code, so just open the VS Code. So in the VS Code, just open the terminal. Okay, in the terminal, just type node-version. Okay, this will be display the version of Node.js that you installed on your system. So if it successfully installed, this will be shows the version. So otherwise this will be shows that it's not available internally or externally. So after installing this node, so this actually install the node that is used to connect your JavaScript interpreter. So and we are actually having the npm, that is a node package manager, and also you are having one folder that is node module. So within that we are having the core module. So Node.js we are having the core modules, user defined modules, and we can also include the third party modules. So the core modules, that is a built-in module that is automatically installed while we are installing this node, and the external modules we can include it by using the npm, that is node package manager.